Hi, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
What is your full name?
So my full name is Avni Agarwal.
All right, Avni. Avni, I'm going to take your interview. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
Great. Avni, first of all, let's talk about New Year. Do you often celebrate New Year?
Yes, I often celebrate New Year with my family, friends, and we celebrate it in a very nice way. We usually go in some hotels, restaurants, and celebrate it. And at 12, we cut some cakes and dance. We
Okay,
do
and
dance.
how did you celebrate New Year last one? Because at that time there was a pandemic going on, people were not moving out from the city. So, how did you celebrate that?
So as the pandemic was going on, so we celebrated at our friend's home only,
Okay.
and the same way only. But it was not that much fun as we are not celebrating it outside. So we did the same things only, that cut the cake, dance
Got
party,
it.
played games,
How do
etc.
how do other people in your city celebrate New Year?
They also celebrate in the same ways only, just some parties, go visit outside.
Okay, and what sorts of activities do people do?
They do take resolutions and celebrate it.
Do you often take resolutions every year?
Not like every year, but sometime, like if I need that, if I think
What kind of common resolutions do you think that people commonly take?
that if the students, they
Yeah.
usually take the resolutions that we need, that we'll study hard, and we'll like make our parents proud. They think that only. And if we talk about elders, they mostly think that we'll do a lot of exercise.
Yeah, the
do-
people who are unhealthy, they take
Yeah.
new resolution that we will avoid junk food and take more exercise, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think that most of the people they keep their resolution? They fulfill?
Some people fulfill their resolution, but some doesn't. If they have strong ability to complete that resolution, they'll of course do it. And some, if they don't have that ability to complete then they can't do it.
Right. Got it. Now let's talk about environment. What kind of environmental problems are prevailing in your country?
So there are many environmental problems that we are facing nowadays, such as like water pollution, air pollution, global warming. These problems are affecting us a lot. And as I'm living near Mandi Gobindgarh, so it is counted as one of the most
Yeah.
polluted
Most of
city
the
also.
polluted area in your country. Okay, whose duty is it to take care of the environment? Is it government's duty or individuals?
It is of course individual's duty, because government cannot do it alone. If we all people will do it together, and then only we can decrease the problems. If we'll not we mortals throw the trash here and there on the roads while we are traveling, we just throw it out of the cars. So it is not a good thing. It pollutes our land a lot.
So, Avni, how we can motivate people to take care of their environment?
So we can tell people that we can do a lot of things together.
Plant trees,
We can plant trees, and we can
segregate the trash,
Yeah.
right? And take care of our environment?
yeah.
Great. Let's talk about goals now. Do you have any goal in your life?
Yes, I have a goal in my life. I want to become a teacher.
You want to become a teacher. What subject you want to teach?
I want to teach like SST or science.
Got it. At what age do you think people should start setting their goals?
And there's not a particular age. We can start. When we set our goals, then only we can start. At from 10th, +1, +2, we can even set our goals, because it's the right age. We need to choose our subjects, and then according to that subject, we can do anything in our life.
Why most of the people they're unable to achieve their goals?
Because they choose their goals, but they do not accomplish it. They do not try hard to accomplish their goals, and they do not work hard to do that. If they take it very lightly, they think that it's very easy to achieve a goal, but actually it's very difficult.
They don't make any planning.
Yeah.
They don't do anything to achieve that.
Yes.
Great. All right. Thank you so much, Avni. It was really wonderful talking to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.